boy place looking over that.
Yeah man, just want to come up, paint up and everything set straight. Yeah man, place stand good.
I mean that.
God feel like money to set you up, you see it?
Yeah man, it's a good thing your grandfather look out for and send you a thing, you know.
Dad, tell you.
I mean, the thing up, I'm running. I want thing doing, you know, you can't waste all light, you know. You can't waste the money.
Why I tell you that, sir, man?
No, I must say, if grandfather said, I want piece of money come give you can't waste it, buy a house, you buy a car.
Yeah, man.
It's a good look.
Yes,
But you have to invest some money in something where you can make some money, you see?
Alright, don't bust it. Car buy, or soon finish up. You are one. But why you buy some cash back, see?
Yeah, man. What which number for buy?
Yo, let's buy anything.
I'm going to check what I want.
Yeah.
Alright, my general. Give me a cranberry water, my soldier. What does it feed? 150? Alright.
What are the money name gone?
Boy, I tell you, you look like a dress, so come on, if you're winning, no.
Yo, see Mala coming.
Oh.
Yo, me out there wait for the thing to play. As I say, not come. I'm going to say, I'm not come back. Out there wait for the thing to play now. So here we now. I out there now. I say, yo, Dan, we have to win the money today. So me, you know, saddle up for the cash back game. I say, alright now, we go win now. Me buy the whole 36 number, daddy. And the man play 37.
Lord, what a wicked man, man.
I said, yo, man, tell you, Jacob. I say, when I bex, I burn up a whole lot of ticket them and that's
Yo,
right.
don't worry about that, man. We have a lot more money where that came from.
I mean, that, I dance, man.
But no boss, no break, soon forward there.
Alright.
Then, bossy. When just a while ago? 37 play?
Yeah.
But a 1 to 36 bossy. There's no 37. And no lotto.
So hold on. Then I really scam me, boy, scam me. Alright. Yo, don't worry about it. You see what him take? Now I'm gonna make him better. So yeah, more help.
Alright, boss. So we know how you done it.
More you go back and more you buy some more cash back numbers. Eh? Cause we must win this at time, you know.
What do you mean? I'm say that. Soon come back. You see, after me win the cash back first time, I see a girl and the girl say, check the money time. And bossy, watch out. 5 by 5, 50,000. And then a 50,000 bossy. And then a 50. And then a 50 bossy. 50 again. Bossy, hear me tell you. You see right now like you win so much money, I think you should have just collect the money and put everything for a number.
Yeah man, but hold one for yourself, see me.
What you mean me be a boss?
Alright.
What you mean, man?
Well, go on, my general.
But you know, so I shouldn't even yell you up though. I just style me what day, you know.
No say that, man. No style, man. You talk about.
You mean say no style me and then hold on no. Me say they go buy the thing man and you come back and tell me say 37 number play. And you know say it thing now have 37 number.
I ain't me tell you, no style, man. No say that, man. I can't style you. I'm generally no, man. I'm style you. Nothing like that, man. But the game now, so like what it seems at times. You understand?
Not for that man. I send the boy one Popeye. Or buy back one number for you know. And I tell us to chop up some food off a game, you know.
Alright, so you stop. You lower the game now then.
Yeah, I joke it up man. And now me start by.
I tell you see when the 37 play, your belly cut you. You wish you stop play the game. I said, I went down that road. That's why I end up in farming.
Now so I not talk buy and now me start spend money. But yo, no say nothing you know. I guess what? Tomorrow I pass some buy a drink out of it.
I go down on the farm because it look like the night of fall. So, what I advise you, when the 37 play, you know what go on.
Alright, do you have to? Yo, Popeye, come here.
What go on, boss? You look some.
Me there, man. Me there. Yeah, man, you know, sir, from morning, me I look for you. Me want you catch a last set of me with $50.
Yeah, what? Bossy, listen. You have to go put on that thing here. See that thing here right now? You not care no further. Cause look here, you sell your car. You sell your house. Me don't know what else you soon sell. Probably sell your wife. So put on the gamble. You know,
Alright. Yo, fire! Forward and one gear raising.
Yes, then. One general.
Yeah, man, come closer, man. One gear raising.
Take off your shoes and come in that place, man. There I deal it.
Boy, you know, say I link me for link to people say, yo, want to work with you on the farm. You see me, I tell you, say, game beat me. But, me all have to walk and pick up buckle. You know, but sell me house, sell me car. Our wife left me.
I see everything I there try to tell you about the game. When I say 37, you know, I mean that the game is not like how you feel. So, the problem comes thus. So right now, we have to pursue that thing because see they turn back to police and now I'm not like to see the either way because the eye did top down. So you can come on the farm, man, and different the farm no work out for you. There's lots of opportunity in the world right now.
Really can't.
Yes, so don't abandon yourself and feel burdened. Because even lady shop track and change your mind instead of going left your body.
That's your word, man. That's your word.
And next story that.